Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah. Cool, right?
It's exciting to be here with the kids and show them some new technology that we have. It's exciting to see the looks on their faces because they're seeing it for the first time ever, and just the excitement on their faces just is great. Today we're going to talk about the drone parts, the parts of the drone and what we use the drone for at AEP, touch on some of the basics as far as what we have to do to get set up to fly the drone, safety issues regarding the drone, and just show them what we can do with it at AEP and talk about what we can do with the technology that we have. This one's personal for me. I like to be around kids. I like to show them everything that I know and hopefully maybe spark some interest. Special place in my heart for the girls that come up through the program, and hopefully we can get some more female drone pilots out there.
I either want to be a police officer or an engineer because I want to build buildings and I want to make tall towers.